Hello, and welcome to the Rock On Podcast, the show that's full of fun, excitement, and cool things. Stay tuned.
Hey folks, welcome to the Rock On Podcast. Host Jimmy D here. We went through all the chords, A, B, C, D, E, F, and what's the last one? G. So today's lesson will be the G. Pretty simple. We're just going to start with the basic two notes. So 6 on the 6th string on the 3rd fret, on the 5th on the 5th. There's 2. Right there, you can grab the 3rd and 4th string and just go. That's pretty easy. Here. Do acoustic up here. So I got all the chord description, all the charts up top there. Let's go to the plate channel, see how it sounds, and break it down a little bit. Alright, welcome back. Remember, we have the G, 2 strings right here, 3rd, 4th, open. That's a G. Very simple, it's nice. So, you can put your finger here and here, which is on the 3rd and 5th, on the 6th and 5th string. There's the 2. Do the bar chord. That's what it sounds like. Here, you'll see, I'll put the chord chart because it's kind of tricky, but it's I want to put some chords together. Remember, we had the G here and the C, and then last lesson we did the F. Say play it up here. Play it down here. That's fun when we play up here. Lessons, please leave a comment below. Click the like button, subscribe. Check out my other videos. We got the A, B, C, D, E, F, now the G. Next video I'll put them all together. So let's go to distortion for a little bit. Let's see how we can rock it out a bit, and then we'll go back to here. Stay tuned. G. I got you there. There's the G. Rock on, see you next video. Bye for now.
Click like and subscribe. Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Rock on.